Hello students, welcome back to St. Joseph English Medium School Vijaypur. Today we are going to introduce ourselves along with the content of this year. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good at your home. I would like to extend my warmest wishes to all of you on the beginning of our new academic year 2021-22. As you all are in 7th standard, I know you are very eager to know about your new teachers, new syllabus and portion, right? I am your science teacher. My name is Shweta Margot. I have completed my BSc BEd and have 8 years of experience in teaching science. I worked as a coordinator for higher primary too. As you all know, because of this COVID pandemic, we are not coming to school regularly, right? And I know you all are missing your friends, your classroom benches, everything. But don't worry students, our ma'am has given us opportunity to meet us regularly through online classes. I am so excited to be teaching you this year. As this academic year, we are going to have a fabulous year of learning, understanding and implementing new concepts in our day-to-day life. Now we are going to introduce our syllabus of this year.
Very good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are healthy and safe at home. Myself, Rupalakshmi P. Sudi. My qualification is BSc BEd. I have 12 years of experience as a science teacher and I am handling science subject for 7th standard. As you all know very well, due to this pandemic, Corona, we all miss our regular classes, fun and interaction between each other. Hope this hard time will pass soon. Thanks to science and technology and also to our school, due to which our education did not stop because we had continuous online classes. You need to in touch with your studies. I welcome you all to new academic year 2021-22.
Okay students, let's have a look on the topics of this year. First topic is about nutrition in plants. In topic 2 we are going to discuss about nutrition in animals. Topic is fiber to fab. In this we are going to learn about the properties of heat. Topic 5 is about acids, bases and salts. About their characteristics and their uses in our day-to-day life, we are going to discuss in this lesson. Sixth topic is physical and chemical changes. Chapter 7 is about weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. Topic 8 is wind, storms and cyclones. 9 is about the soil, properties of soil and different layers of soil. 10 is about respiration in organisms. 10 is about transportation in animals. Topic 12 is about reproduction in plants. 13 is about motion and time. Chapter 4 we are going to discuss about electric currents and its effects. Chapter 15 is about light. Here we are going to discuss about concave and convex lenses and mirrors, their properties and their uses in our day-to-day life, right? Topic 16 is about water, which is the precious resource of our life. 17 is forest, our lifeline. Our last chapter, that is chapter number 18, is about wastewater story. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the recycling of water. This is all about the portion of this year, and I hope we are going to enjoy each and every topic and understand them better in a different ways. Hello students, but don't forget to follow few rules which we are going to discuss now. Don't go out of the home. If it is too necessary, don't forget to wear your mask. Okay? Remember to wash your hands frequently with sanitizer. It's better to stay at home and stay safe so we can learn from our. Thank you children. Bye bye. Take care.